Right, guys. So good evening, guys. Good evening. The Cape Town family, guys. We are actually going down. This is the 40th floor. We're going up. Did you press ground?
Yeah.
We actually first going to the
60th floor, maybe, or
this guy. I think he's on a 60th floor. The lift is still going. I think to the 60th floor. We're gonna collect someone there, but I don't know that person. Obviously, no, it's actually on the 55. Right. So now we are heading down. As you could see, we are on the lift, and we'll take it from there as time goes on. Right now, so let's quickly go. This is the place where we live. We are actually going to get some snacks that we bought. As you could see, people are just coming in. This is the lady. Let me just quickly open before. Hi. We ordered some food, so it's coming. Right. So now we are actually going. I think the other snack is mine. So this is actually the reception. So when you actually come in, you visit this place, you'll find a reception like this where you find everything there, right? And then there, it is the place where you can actually sit and wait for whoever you are waiting for. There's such nice decorations, right? Nice decorations. And there's two chairs there where you can actually sit as well. And here there's also a couch and two chairs there and a small table there. All right. So apparently, when you actually come in, you'll find that you have to use the tech to open from outside to come in. Right. So the place is such a beautiful place. So let's quickly go in. So this is the passage, and here is the postal mail room. That's where you get your mails if you stay here. So, but you use the key. Everything you do here, you need to use a key. All right, to a key card in order for you to be able to come in. All right. So we are actually going back to the room. So here, this is the place where the lifts are. As you can see, it's such a beautiful place. Everything is so good, guys. They've got nice marble floors. It's such a beautiful place. These are lifts. These are all lifts and so forth. Are we taking the which lift? Are we taking that one? Okay. Yeah. So obviously we're taking the goods lift. This is the goods lift, guys. So you press number 40. 40. 40.
this.
Check out, man.
The lift likes to do this to me.
You can't do that. Now you're going to have to wait till 7 and 9 now. Jake, you can't do that. Can't do that to us. I don't want to go. Come, let's go get the other one. The other one is still coming. That one doesn't want to go. It's all right. It's fine. So we'll have to wait. This one will be quicker. As you can see, they are on 25, 23, 22, 20th. Yeah. It is such a beautiful place. The place, they call it Bukit Buntan. Bukit Bintang. No. It's in Bukit Bintang. This is where the place is. It's actually in Bukit Bintang. Agile. Okay, so here we can't go up without scanning the key. So here we need to scan the key. So I can scan the key, and my son can press there. 40.
This lift is not right.
Okay, let me just scan again. Press. Okay. So it has actually allowed us. We've been struggling. We are now going to heading to the 40th floor. 40th floor. That's where we're going. And you can actually see us on the meters. You know, it has got meters. So we went past 7 because we're in 7, but now we went past 7. So you can see how fast the lift is going, guys. That's number 23rd, 23A, 25, 27, 28, 30th floor. We've got 10 floor left. So 33, 34, 33A, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40. That's where we are. Right. So we're getting off, guys. We're getting off. On the left-hand side here, you see there's a big, they actually switch off the lights. It's such a beautiful place. Everyone is sleeping. Right, so let's quickly go inside. We are actually now going to our room, right? We're going to our room. Going to our room. And then we're going to our room. So here, when you enter here, you have to use a key card in order for you to be able to open. All right. Then when you enter, guys, this is the apartment. This is where we live. As you can see, this is the Cape Town family. This is the Cape Town family, guys. Everyone is sitting there, relaxed. So this is my wife, she's on the table. Cape Town family is the place where we are, and so forth. But anyway, we will get some time to get you guys some time so you can see. But I'll take some tour of the room when I've got time. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I think I did forgot to show you guys the outside. But now it's dark, everyone is sleeping now. It's how it is. It's so nice outside. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Hey guys, welcome to my travel vlog. Today we are leaving Thailand, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so come with us to 7-Eleven. We're gonna take a walk. Before we go to the airport, we're first gonna take a walk
And buy some snacks. You got some money?
Yep. I want ice cream, that's all I know.
Yes, plus it's very hot today. I don't know why it's so hot. Yeah, and then I told mommy there's a doctor right there. Then mommy said, okay, we'll take Jake. I told Jake. Jake said, no, my arm is fine.
Y'all, I almost got lost. Oh, it's right there.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's better not scared of people.
God, guys, I just fell outside. And everyone was looking at me. Yes.
You're not the only one. That happened to Jake. Their roads are not nice. They didn't.
And everyone's staring, right?
Okay,
I'll get
it
this.
does not have a jelly at all. I get for all of them. 1, 2, 3,
Jake would like the green.
4, and we're 5. 5. Everyone got. There's a chips. Do you want some chips? But then now
I
10
love
baht,
these.
and then this also 10
Wait,
baht.
if you come to Thailand, please get these. So, next.
I'm gonna take this. You see 10 baht, and this equals 20 baht. The same price as this. I got 2 chips.
Smart.
Did you have to get them something? Let's see here.
I think they'd like to see.
Enough of this.
Yeah. And now a snack or a treat.
That side.
Are you sure no one saw me fall?
I'm very sure.
The ones behind me?
No one.
That is so. We're going with these ice
But
cream.
it's possible for it to be small.
How many are you taking, girl? Huh? Okay, one. That's okay. 2. And that?
I'm getting flavors. What flavor do you really want?
And then?
What flavor do you
Vanilla.
want?
We're done now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
I think we're done now.
Go. Wait, should I get a lip change?
Look at the prices.
Okay, let's go back to food. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Guys, the car has arrived. It's behind me. It's the big car right there. I'm gonna show you the inside. I already ate my ice cream, but my sister's now trying her ice cream. It's been 2 years since I ate this ice cream.
See?
Tastes good.
Very
good.
Under the bed.
It's like white chocolate and then there's
Vanilla ice cream.
There's chocolate chips inside.
Oh, breakthrough in your life.
A much cheaper version of Magnum.
Who conquered death?
Very, very good.
It's what I did, Mutswadi a ka se ke a ntsa re mona ka gore o ngwanaka re ke le mama ka ntho eo a se yona a e tsona ngwana mme yes we do.
Guys, now we're waiting to get our bags checked in. I'm trying the chocolate one. Guys, I ended up sleeping inside because I was so tired. Yesterday I didn't sleep. But yeah, I just left the flight. It's called Asian Air. It was kind of boring because there's no TV or any like place to charge your phone. So that's where I came from. Okay guys, we have landed in Malaysia, aka Kuala Lumpur. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but we landed. Now we're just going to immigration to get our... Oh yeah, we're gonna first. Now we're just going to immigration, and then after we're gonna get our bags. Okay guys, we've arrived in Kuala Lumpur. So I'm gonna show you guys the room now. So guys, this is the room. We've arrived. So when you first walk in, you see a table, excuse the stuff. And then that's the living room. There's a nice light. You know, that's the living room. Then this is the kitchen. This is my room here. This is where me, Love, and Jake sleep. In here. This is the bathroom. My sister just showered, so that's why it's a bit misty. And this is the main room, which is my parents' room. And this is their bathroom. Yeah, guys, it's pretty simple and nice. I'm gonna show you guys the view as well. At night, it looks way better. But this is how it looks during the day. It's really nice. Hey guys, we're in Kuala Lumpur now. We arrived. This is 3 days later because I was so tired. I couldn't finish my video. But today, it's early morning.
Yo, what is up guys? It is Jake here. Welcome back to another banger video today. I'll be going to the 7-Eleven and yeah, so go with me to the 7-Eleven. But I might end the video quick. No, just kidding guys. And I won't end it. I won't end it right now because I got like 6 minutes of the video. And let's head right in. Go, go, go. Okay. Okay, that took way too long. Okay, and I'm about to fall here. And boom. Oh no, not here. Oh, what is up, guys? It is Jake here. Welcome back to another banger video. Today I'll be going to my hotel, and I just moved out of the hotel in Bangkok. It was really nice, really nice. Okay, not gonna lie, it's really good. And I'll be going to Malaysia and like I don't know. So let's see. Let's do it, guys. I will not speed up the video. If I want to, I will, but it might take too long. So yeah, let's go. I'll add some music for you guys. Let's go. Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, guys, so like I literally got lost through like I don't know. Wait, is this a real room? This room? This room? I don't know. I'm lost. Oh my god. Yeah, I think it's that one. Yeah. I think we're good. Yeah, let's go to that one. Oh my god, it's the wrong room. I just checked my key now. I just entered. This is a nice view of the hotel. It's very good. I like this. That's the Twin Towers, Malaysia Twin Towers. Very good. Yeah, and the rest of the video, I'll put a nice music for you guys.